Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to make an exe slash bat file with Notepad and run it with CMD. So today I'm going to be using this program called VRY. It's a Valorant thing, shows ranks, shows everyone ranks. But you see, mine hasn't been working lately. When I click it, nothing pops up. Probably because of the new Windows update. So I found a solution and basically just a tutorial on how to make exe files work. So here, since we are going to use this, we're going to go to our file explorer where we have this downloaded. I have it downloaded right here. So right here, since I have it inside of a folder, we're just going to save this directory. Actually save this where you can see everything inside. And basically here, you're going to type cd and then paste that. And then below, we're just going to type the program you want to extract, which is VRY.exe for me. Gonna do VRY.exe on desktop. See, we saved it. So now, if I go to desktop, find the VRY, yep. Oh wait, my bad. Not exe. I forgot. Actually, gonna make this bat. So now, if I double click it, it should come up. Then everything should work as intended.